Hey y'all, it's Aria here. So I am showing you some of the products from my company, Aries Twist LLC. Make sure you shop and look on my Shopify at www.ariestwist.myshopify.com. Now, let me show you some of the products that I have. So, first, I have wigs. Now this wig is called Yellow Heron Crochet Twist wig. It's a micro twist synthetic hair. I spent 4 days making each wig. It is a U-part wig, so you will have a leave out area. Now you can leave your own hair out, or you can add in the micro twist crochet individuals that I will also provide in the package. So in your package comes one wig, and this is just the construction. The wig has 3 combs, one here, and one down here. I also will provide you with a separate little baggie that looks like this, and in the bag you will get adjustable band. So in the bag you'll get an adjustable band that you can attach if you want. Some people like them, some people don't, so I just left it optional. And you will also get 60 individual micro twists that you can use in your U-part area. Now this is one. So this is 60 twist, okay? And you just crochet these in individually into your hair, and that will complete the look. So right now this wig is on sale for $80. So make sure that you go and check it out. I'm gonna show you all a few more of my collection, but yes, this is one wig, and you can style this in multiple ways. I've put this hair up, put it down. You can do it with bangs in the front like so. You can do side part, middle part, it's up to you. 2 ponytails, 2 puffs, bun, it's really up to you. You have a lot of flexibility with this wig. So next, I'm going to show you some of my individual twists. Right now, I only have the color red. This is synthetic as well. And you will get 300 individual strands of these. So this is, right here is half. So I'm holding 150 in my hand, and you'll get another 150. So these are my individual twists. Right now I only have the color red. I'm working on more colors. Your girl is working a full-time job, okay? I am trying to start this business, one, because I've always wanted to start my own business, but 2, because I am trying to save up some money. I am engaged, as many of you know, so I'm trying to earn a little extra money for my wedding, and it's always been my passion to start a business. So I take my time when creating these things and giving them to you. So I would really appreciate if you guys shop with me. I would love it so much. Now, these right now are $60 for 300 pieces, which is enough for a full head. So also on my website I have crochet ponytails. This is also synthetic, but I am going to have human hair ponytails soon, so be on the lookout. Let me just, so you're gonna get your ponytail in a bag. Oh, and I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, all wigs will come with a wig box for storage, so you'll have a box. So this is my yellow crown hair and ponytail, and you see it's really full. It has 2 combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and it's a drawstring ponytail. So you can just pull it and it tights. Okay, so this right now is $10.99. My human hair ponytails will be coming out soon, so be on the lookout for that. Also, you will get a free scrunchie in every package. Moreover, if you subscribe to our emails, you get 10% off your first purchase. So if you subscribe to our emails on Shopify, you get 10% off your first purchase. Make sure you subscribe and save you some coins. So this is the wig that I am giving away. Let me go over the giveaway rules. First, you need to follow my Shopify. It's at ariestwist.myshopify.com. Rule number 2, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube. And rule number 3, you need to follow me on Instagram at Aries Twist LLC. And I will link all of that in the description box. So follow me on Shopify, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ariel Wade, and follow me on Instagram at Aries Twist LLC. That is how you are eligible to be entered into the giveaway. This giveaway is for U.S. residents only. Okay, and you will win a crochet wig. So you will win this crochet wig. My giveaway ends this Friday, and I have to check the date, what date that is, but it ends this Friday. After I post this video, it was probably August the 21st, I believe, is this Friday. So this is the wig that you will be winning. Okay, it's a nice 1B30 color. It has 3 clips, and just like my other wig, you'll get an adjustable strap and 60 pieces of individual crochet hair. So make sure you hop on that and subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe to my Shopify, and follow me on Instagram. Now, I'm sorry, one other rule. Once you've done all that, comment your Instagram name in my YouTube comment section. Comment your Instagram name in my YouTube comment section, and that's how you will be entered. It will be a random drawing. I'll pull up a random name generator, and we'll just draw one lucky winner, and I will notify you when you are the winner via Instagram. So it's important that you comment your Instagram name in my YouTube section. So I thank you guys. I really hope that you check out my Shopify, and I am so grateful to everybody that has been following me on this journey and rooting for me. I feel like God has allowed me to do this, so I am going to pursue it with my full passion. I am still waiting on my first sale, so please, if you like what you see, go ahead and purchase. I also have nails for purchase on my website, so make sure you check out everything on there. And if you like it, go ahead, add to your cart, girl. Add to your cart. Thank you for watching. I hope that you all have a blessed and wonderful day, and please support my small business. Thank you for all that you do.